Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Lure 13 Vlog. So for today's video, I'm gonna make sambusa. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. So for this video, I'm gonna show you on how I wrap the sambusa. So actually guys, this is the last week of Ramadan. And there you go. So you can see, that's what we are making. That's what inside our sambusa. We are making vegetable sambusa guys. Just mix it with ground beef and some leaves, and there you go, the wrapper. This is what we call the dough, the dough of sambosa. Samosa actually guys, some other people call this samosa, some other people call this sambusa, with whatever. So these are the sam wraps. So there you go. So I'm gonna show you on how I fold it. So this is just the easy way to fold it, since I'm not really expert in doing this because I'm not really assigned this. By the time that kitchen would make sambusa, and they will call me and ask for help. So this is what I did. I fold it. I make it as a triangle. I don't know, triangle or pyramid. I don't know what to call this. So I'm gonna put it inside and then fold, and then I see to it that I fold it very well, and then put a paste. Actually that paste is a flour, a melted flour. Okay, that's it. That's how I made it. Very easy. So I'm gonna show you another one. So this is really how I make it. Actually guys, sambusa is a traditional food during Ramadan days. This is one of their, fasting food. Yeah, they always eat like sambusa, like some stuff in a wrapping paper, something. Yeah, this is really Muslim people usually eat. Actually, this my madam told me that this is their traditional food during Ramadan. So there, I made another one, and so that's it. By the way, you're asking me why I use knife, because knife is pointed and the I want the thing to be scattered. I want it to flat. I want every side to have, like, something. The one that I put. Okay, so and then I fold it again and again. So actually this is already my last Ramadan here, and I'm leaving already. I have to go home. Not for good, but I think it is to find another good things in life to explore. So I think this is so much. And then that's my kasama here, just making it. That's how she make. So hindi ko na po pakita sa inyo on how we make yung ano niya, yung sambusa talaga. It's just consists with the ground beef and the vegetables. So that's how we make it. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and this is our finished product. Please, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for more updates on my video. God bless you all.